Alright, boys and girls, welcome to day 4 of our word analysis, and we are on our story, scene 2, and this is our unit 2, week 3. This is day 4. We're getting ready for our big spelling test tomorrow. This week we have been talking about prefixes that are added to the beginning of a word and change the word's meaning. So this week we have been focusing on the Latin prefixes dis, D-I-S, re, and non, and pre, which I did not add here, but it is listed below. So the prefix dis, meaning the opposite of or not, but we have used it as not. The prefix re, which means again, one of my favorites. The prefix non, which is similar, if not the same as not, which we have used that this week. And the prefix pre, which means before. Now, looking back at our spelling list to go over those words quickly with you. Dishonest, dislike, reread, nonfiction, nonsense, rearrange. Remember, pre-cooked, we had to add that ed to help make it a before. It could be cooked. A pre-mix, which is before it's mixed. Pre-selected, again, we had to add that ed. I know I didn't say it in my video, but it's there for you to be studying. So you see this on day 1. So, but I explained it later on why we did it that way, but it's there, so I know you're studying it. And then we'll be looking at preview today for day 4. So, we all learn every day. So I learned a few things about this past tense. So grammar follows along with spelling, vocabulary, it all fits in. So definitely a new subject area and exciting to learn new things on my end. So let's kick it off with day 4. And we're going to finish it up with this prefix pre, which we know means before. When we add it to a root word, it changes the meaning of the word to mean that something is done before. So let's finish up with these last 2 words on our spelling list. The first word is pre-selected. Can you find this root word? Yes, it's the same thing as cooked. It must be in the past tense when adding the prefix pre, because the suffix ed helps the prefix pre to have a meaning of taking place before. All right, so the root word is selected. Selected means chosen in preference to another. So I've highlighted it. Therefore, the meaning of the new word pre-selected is to choose in advance or to choose something before. If you pre-selected your Thanksgiving turkey, then you've already picked it out. Okay? If you've pre-selected your new car, you've already picked it out before it's come out on the lot. Okay? So our last word that we're going to work with this week is preview. Now I know you can do this one just like we did on day 3. I need to give you some practice. I need to see how your brain is growing and all that knowledge you're packing in there. So step 1, what is that root word? Write it down so you can post it in that comment box. All right, I'm going to give you a second. Good job. Did you write down, did you post view in that comment box? I hope you did. All right, let's move along. Step 2, now let's find out what the definition of that root word is. View, it means to look at something carefully. So now that we can combine our new information, pre means before. So what will the new meaning of our spelling word be? I want you to post your answer in the comment box. Think about this, use this slide. You did a great job, and don't forget to study for your test tomorrow. I know you can figure out that definition. You've done fabulous. I love you dearly. Study hard, and I will see you in a day or so with our next lesson. Bye-bye for now.